In 2010, the Bleacher Report has done a tremendous activity by comparing the amount of money some athletes get paid. Comparing to 2018, here is the result. And when we compare that to some important function in our society, we need to ask ourselves why an athlete has to pay this amount of money. How many people will have a better life if they get paid well? Like the President of the United States, a teacher, a surgeon, a police officer. And when we compare that, there is a madness in our society. And then it's time to stop it. If we compare the price of those important people in our society and to those who get paid a lot just for our fun and hobbies, it's time. We need to come together and stop this madness because athletes get paid too much money.